Welcome to SHARx, the solution to high-cost prescriptions. Many of us have experienced the financial burden of paying for prescriptions to maintain our health. Luckily, your Alliance for Shared Health membership includes SHARx. SHARx Prescription Advocacy is a comprehensive program that utilizes a network of resources to get your high-cost maintenance and specialty medications at the lowest possible price, often for free. If you are currently taking a high-cost medication that costs at least $200 for a 30-day supply, you will want to register for SHARx. Visit sharxplan.com/share to register. A link to the SHARx registration website was also included in the welcome email you received upon completion of your membership enrollment. Fill out all necessary information and click the link to register your SHARx user account. You will receive an email asking you to confirm your email address. Once confirmed, you will enter your login credentials to enter the portal. When you enter the portal, you will begin to add your prescriptions. Click on the Add Prescriptions button. Once on the Add Prescriptions page, fill out the necessary information for your prescription. Please be as descriptive as possible. When adding your first prescription, you will need to add a doctor or provider. To do this, click on the Add button next to the Doctor/Provider dropdown. You will then be taken to a page to fill out your prescriber's information. With the correct information filled out, click the Add New Prescriber button. Back on the prescription page, choose the provider you entered and make sure all the information is correct. With all the information correct, hit the Save Prescription button. With all of your prescriptions put into the portal, head back to the member homepage to add in more information. Next, we will edit the household information. Please click on the Household Info button. Fill out the information to the best of your ability and click Everything Looks Good. You will be directed back to the portal home, where we will now fill out your personal information. Choose the Edit button next to Personal Info, and you will be directed to fill out all the necessary information. To edit the information on the page, use the pencil icon next to each selection. With your details, contact, and address filled out, please click the Everything Looks Good button to be directed back to the portal home. You are now able to review and sign the HIPAA authorization form, which will allow an advocate to work on your behalf. When you agree and sign the document, your request for advocacy has been submitted. An advocate will be in contact with you within 3 business days. After submitting your HIPAA authorization, you have the option to add a dependent. Click on Add a New Dependent and follow the same steps you just took to fill out the information. Be sure to fill out the dependent contact information to the correct party. The dependent must also fill out and agree to the HIPAA authorization form if they are 18 or over. The dependent will receive an email to create their own portal access. The login information cannot be the same as yours. Communication between you and your advocate will be done through the portal. If you have a question, click Contact Us in the portal home and type your question or message and click Submit. You will receive an email when an advocate sends you a message. You will need to log into the portal to view the message in the Contact Us tab. Upon completing the entire registration process, one of our experienced advocates will contact you within 3 business days to discuss the options available to access your medication. Your advocate will work on getting the ideal program set up for your specific situation. Because we want to move quickly on your behalf, your advocate may reach out for more information. Please don't delay in responding. After speaking with your advocate, please allow at least 2 to 4 weeks to receive your medications. Our advocates are standing by, ready to engage with you. They will be there through every step in the process. Your membership in ASH includes access to the most cutting-edge, cost-sensitive solutions available in the healthcare industry. For more information, visit ashcommunity.org.
Alliance for Shared Health. Changing healthcare, changing lives.